Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. I want to remind you that tomorrow is the first Friday of the month, and what are we doing on the first Friday of the month? We have a speed test. Yes, a speed test tomorrow. But first, let me continue with these puzzles. In this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And the binary, it's binary time. Yes, binary number 9833, I believe. No, 32. Yeah, 32. 9832. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 15 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Now I'm stuck here. Well, between the O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones in the first row. So the rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones overlooked. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.